Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add some post into the collection of Bitget community. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply select that, and after that select your profile. Now after selecting your profile, you will get to see this option of community. Simply tap to community option, and after that you will get to see a lot of options. Now you just simply have to go into the post which you would like to add to your collection. For example, I'm opening this post. Now after opening the post, you will get to see this three dot. Simply tap into that three dot, and after that you will get the option of add to collection. Tap to add to collection and the post will successfully be added to your collection. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.